what's up guys? It's the next morning. Last night didn't quite go to plan. We didn't get to ride because the jumps were quite soft, so we had to just spend most of the time compacting them and packing them in. But today is nice and warm, and I'm excited to ride and hit the jumps and see who else is actually coming through to hit the jumps as well. So yeah, I'll quickly take you through a run through of the jumps now. Awesome. So I'm going to just quickly walk down the jumps and try and show you guys what they look like, and also try and get the scale of them, because this first jump is massive. Okay, I don't know, I'm going to get down here without eating it. So, drop in from the container up there, which is mentally big, and then hit this beauty of a double. Hit it! There's the mastermind behind all this. Yeah. Quickly just stop in the middle here. I just want to like get a gap. A little bit. Today is going to be an exciting day. Piddies, FMX down there, and obviously BMX. Hell yeah. Roll down, and then the massive trick jump. I can't wait to hit this thing. And then there's the little line. Super rad little line. Haven't been able to test it at all, so we are hoping that it works. Awesome, so had a bit of a session. I'm feeling a little bit sensitive in the ankles, but yeah, it was super sick to ride some dirt jumps. We've just come to the top of Redstar to get some food, and I am planning to go back down. I've depadded, I'm not going to carry on riding. I'm going to go down and basically see what I can record of the pit bike race and the FMX crew if the wind dies down, because the wind is crazy at the moment. So the FMX guys aren't really doing anything, and most of the BMXs aren't really doing anything because the wind is just a little bit too gnarly at the moment. So yeah, I don't blame them at all. But yeah, we'll see what I can get for you guys down there at the bottom. Check you there.